There you go, Brielle. That's my girl. Go right. Hey, Brielle, thumbs up. Yeah, you did. Good job, sweetie. Yeah, come pop a squat next to me. See if we can catch a fish. Cool. Good job. You think there's a fish trying to get it?
I think so. I think you say, fish, come here.
How do you think you're doing?
Good.
Doing pretty good. I think you're doing amazing.
Oh.
You casted it way out there. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Oh my
I'm
God.
going to try to bring it back in and see if I got it.
You're doing so good, sweetie. All right. Go.
You think I should throw this rocket?
See if you can get it in there.
Okay.
Still falling. Whoa.
That's fun.
Mhm.
And I put one of these on. Then put a aircracker on. Is that how you make it?
That's how you make it.
See?
Yeah.
Or if you want to make it longer, you can do it all the same again.
Cool.
And
How does it taste? Pretty good?
yeah, it's always good. Dad, do you want to try one?
Sure. Can you make me one?
You can kind of see the weeds. I see something cool. That look in the water. Look in the water. There. That look cool.
Mm-hmm.
These are some cool trees, Dad.
I agree. Hey, bro, I love you.
What do you do?
Not bad.
Fishy, fishy, fishy.
Come here, fishy, fishy, fishy.
Fishy. You want to do that again? You want to try again? You want me to do that again?
Yeah.
Come here, fishy. You want me to do that again?
Sure.
You want me to try again?
Sure.
I'm going to do it from up here.
Okay.
It hit me, I can't.
You're a casting girl. Well, it's getting chilly. We should probably start heading up in a little bit, right? Yeah. But we keep practicing. All right, try it again. There we go. Good job. Careful. High up. Good job, sweetie.
Dad, I'm looking out you.
Yeah, see that blue mark on the tree? It's straight ahead of you, right there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, get to that. All right, to the left a little.
So now I have to go up here?
Yep.
That's easy.
Good job.
Are we going this way?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. You gonna help me with it?
Yeah.
Sweet. Sweet.
Clouds with a low of 78 degrees. Tomorrow, sunny and warm with highs reaching 104. That's a look at your valley weather. Have a great night.
This report is sponsored by Dairy Queen.
That's Jupiter.
I don't see. Can I see, Daddy?
Mm-hmm. You gotta come over here. You see that dot? I'll zoom in on it.
Is that Pluto?
It's Jupiter.
Jupiter!
Mm-hmm.
That I can see now. Look, Jupiter.
How cool is that?
Pretty cool. If we forgot a tool paper, we can use these.
Yep.
Right, Daddy?
Yep. All right, want to keep going on with your adventure? All right, let's do it.
I'm right here, okay?
Okay.
Right in my bed, okay?
Okay.
Hi!
Hey. All right, ready when you are.
Okay. These are my cat socks.
Okay.
So we're going to be cats.
Mm-hmm. What's their names?
Coming back over to hug you.
Yay. Oh, I love you.
Dad, you think we shouldn't go down the hard way anymore to get down there? I think we should go down the easier way, so.
I think it's a good idea. Yeah, we'll do that.
Yeah, like till I get 5 and we're here again, let's go down like the one, like the
The first
tough
one that we did?
Yeah, and
Yeah.
then like the tough one, cause only 5-year-olds know how to climb up down there.
Oh, really? Where'd you learn that?
I don't know.
Just kind of figured that out?
Yeah, I bet I would have figured that out somehow.
Well, you did it, so you must be climbing at a five-year-old.
No, I know. I only climbed up, not down. I was too scared to climb down the tough one.
Oh, you talk about by yourself, like how I helped you down?
Yeah.
But you went up by yourself.
Yeah, that happened.
Oh.
Yeah, that kind of helped me. And I said wherever there was rocks.
Yeah, those are good steps.
Yeah, maybe when we come down, maybe we should use the easier one.
Okay, we'll do that.
Yeah, we'll do that.
It's a good idea. All right, well, eat up. You got plenty of food.
of the like watering. Yeah, now you can see some of the water, Dad.
A little bit.
See?
Mm-hmm. That girl. Alright, Brielle, so this is the second day we're out here. Let's see how good you can cast now. You're a natural. Alright, let's see it again. Good. Let's see the perfect cast.